working together across political lines on matters that are important to the people of Kenya. And in that working together, it is not necessary that we will always agree, but it is important that we work together towards the betterment of our country. I am reminded, and I want to thank God for the last general election. The last general election were in a category of their own. I mean, it was a turning point from where I sit in the politics of Kenya. And I have 4 reasons why I think it was a turning point. Number one, it is the election where the 2 national formations had actually a national face on either side. The ethnic configuration that always informed our politics was not there. We had both sides presenting a national face in their formation. Number 2, we had the most evident issue-based election. The election was about issues. There are issues that we differed. Our brothers on the other side, for example, said borrowing money was good because we were using other people's money to run our development, which made some sense. We argued on our side that we needed to slow down on borrowing because borrowing could lead us to a different place. But we also had occasion when both formations agreed, like, for example, on housing. So it was issue-based. We had an issue-based election. It is also correct that we